Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Thunderhill Raceway East. And welcome back the 2016 BMW S1000RR. And we're running a little hot back-to-back session at an open track day. Amazing. I love open track days because I can just come in and switch bike and go right back out. So just warm up for a quick minute. This is, of course, the 2016 S1000RR, fully Bren tuned with the aero exhaust and just everything. This thing is pretty much a track bike with street fairings. Hello, JR. Oh, JR, you're waving me on, huh, buddy? What's that all about? We'll do a cold lap or a warm-up lap, get the tires warm with JR. So weird being up on a sport bike, coming right off track, off the Super Duke R. If you guys don't know, I just purchased, finally, the all-new 2022 KTM Super Duke R Evo, the 1290, and yeah, we had a good little warm-up session on that bike, so very nice. So a little bit weird to be on top of a sport bike now, so acclimating a little bit. Body position's just a little bit different. Very nice day today. Weather is about 75 or 80 degrees. This was that, you guys may have heard about this heat wave that we just went through here in the valley in California, 115 degrees. So we're just on the downturn of that. If you guys are familiar with the channel, you know that I'm on contract with Cal Fire. So the haziness, the smoke is from the definitely didn't like that. Alright. So second gear out of there, negative, comes up too fast. Kind of getting into this. Jeez. So mosquito fire here in California, 42,000 acres, so big fire. Big horsepower in front of us, so getting around them on the brakes. do not like this Master. I get too much brake fade on that back straight, it won't stop. And this is the billet Master, which is supposed to be a really good Master, but I don't know, I can't keep the brake fade. It just wants, like, I've got no brakes at the end. Get black flag. So now one thing I don't like about this bike is there's no like wheelie control. So I'm in slick mode, so it comes up and comes up a little fast, so I drag the rear brake just a little bit too much and it comes back down. So I don't know. All right, so good. Good session. Good little rip. Not much to talk about. Like, just smile on my face right now. I'm on the track, on bikes that I love, with you guys, the people that I love. Got black flag yet, so maybe Berto's a big wheelie guy, so maybe Berto was like, hey, we're not black flagging wheelies. Bearings popping off on the side here. All right, well, Nikki just said she really wanted some wheelie shots, so nice cool down lap. ride, you guys. Oh, I don't think I've officially said it. If you guys have waited this long, you guys have got a treat, unfortunately. The 22 S1000RR has been sold. I did sell it a couple weeks ago. Sorry, it's down to 2 bikes. This one and the S1000R. And then I just recently bought the KTM. So I still do have, unfortunately, a wrecked R3, which we're gonna rebuild. So I don't know, we may do that on the channel. I don't think it'll get much traction, so I probably won't, but we'll reintroduce it and we'll get it out on track. The R3 was wrecked back in May. So, and then of course I've got the Cali 300. Couple of them got up there. There's a couple 12 o'clockers. Oh, that was fun. What do you guys think? I don't really do big wheelies like that typically, so, but car looks good. I think maybe I only got one more ride in the day, but that was real nice. 2016 S1000RR, was those okay? They're all right. A couple of them came up kind of quick, so, but yeah, so here you guys go. We're back. 2016 S1000RR being replaced. The 22 Aprilia RS660 is her new bike. It's in the shop. She kicked up a rock into her radiator. What's it been, almost a month, huh? Bummer. But we'll have the RS660 out here for our next track day. S1000R, great. And then of course the Super Duke R, great ride today. I think I only got one more ride on this today. So eeny, meeny, miny, mo. She wants me to ride this. So I think I'm gonna go quick session on this and then wrap it up for the day. But thank you guys for sticking around. Do the normal, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button, and then ring the bell notification. Bell notification is going to give you future notification of future content. Like when we start modding the Super Duke R, I got some stuff I got to do to her RS660, so stay tuned. Repeat of the RS660 build, right? And I think this thing is, I just need to put a different master on this. I hate the master on this. I get brake fade. I almost went off track coming down into 14. Yeah, it's a couple times I've done it, but yeah, thank you guys for sticking around. We'll see you next video. Bye, guys.